If you have a 5th generation 4Runner, but you're not ready to pull the trigger and replace the entire headlight assembly, upgrading to an LED bulb is the next best choice. Introducing the new Morimoto 2Stroke 4.0 for the 5th generation 4Runner headlights. The 2Stroke 4.0 is packed with more patented, innovative features than any other bulb on the market today. The light output is perfectly focused, so light doesn't glare on the face of oncoming drivers. It also has an innovative heat exchanger that cools the bulb while warming the ambient temperature inside the housing. This will increase the resistance to snow and ice buildup on the lens. Best of all, the 2Stroke 4.0 bulb has a lifetime warranty with an OE grade material used throughout. Upgrading your stock halogen bulbs cannot be easier. Simply pop the hood and reach behind the headlight, remove the dust cover, turning it counterclockwise and pulling it away. Now reach in and unplug your stock bulb by reaching in counterclockwise and pull it out. Keep in mind, this bulb might be really hot if it was left on for a while. Now simply grab your LED bulb and turn it clockwise to lock it in place, plug it in, and put the dust cover back on. That's all it takes to install the all-new 2Stroke 4.0 bulb in your 5th generation 4Runner. So if you've got a 5th generation 4Runner and you're ready to see better at night, see the trails better while you're wheeling, head on over to morimotolighting.com and get yours today.